So, what's up, people? My name is Lino. I'm the creator of LilithGuild. I'm going to share my game dev journey with you. So, I want to take a recap about the games I have made from 2023 to December of 2024. So, the first page that we're seeing here is my first game jam that I participate. I was a total beginner in this game jam. I did this game jam with Unreal Engine. And in this, at that time, I didn't know how to move a character, how actors work and stuff. So, but participating in this game jam is what hooked me into game dev. So I really want to show this game. It it doesn't have like the gameplay mechanic for the game jam. It's like a moving character, and you hit tab, and you control these cubes here, and you have to jump to the house right there. As you can tell, it was a really fun game jam. I get in love with Unreal with this game jam because of the colors, of the light, because I didn't know anything, and Unreal make it easy with the blueprints. But yeah, then later, well, after this game jam, I decided to make a commercial game because I wanted to get some money and stuff, and try to get some like a side hustle of game dev. So I proposed, well, I put myself like developing on game in 4 months, 5 months, something like that. And the next game it has to be, and well, I put myself to make the next game and put it on Steam. And my next game is is HomePad. I'm real proud of this game. I have like well, this is my second game. This game I really want to put it on Steam and start learning about how to sell games. And making this game, I was a lot nervous because I was thinking that people were going to think, but why a person that doesn't is not a software developer but a game developer is making a game? But with this game, I understand that you don't need to be like a have to you don't need to have a degree to make a game. I know this is not the best game, but I have those kind of worries that you're not prepared for doing things. But I really challenged myself to upload this, and I was really happy with the results. Uh, I didn't get any money from this game. It's like a $1 game, but I didn't get enough sales. And also, well, this was a roguelike game, as you can see on the background. So you get these power ups, and you have to kill all these 3D animals. All of these assets, I made them except of the trees, I think. But yeah, I modeled all the fox, the bunny here. It was a really fun game to make. I really challenged myself with the 3D modeling of this of these monsters, and I was really happy with this because at the time I was learning about drawing by hands. I like a lot of anime, and I was learning like to draw anime. So all these power ups were drawn by me. Also, this menu, well, this not, but it was a lot of fun. I also 3D modeled the main character, and I was happy with the result and wanted to create like a good memory for me. So I went to a place that they make like books and print stuff, and I make these SketchUps, as you can see, with the with the boss of my game, because I was really happy with the progress that I made. And well, I was also learning to sketch, so I made this like a sketchbook. I didn't continue to draw, but I really want to have like a good memory about this game, and so I made these notebooks. These notebooks like for me only, so I'm really happy with that. After this game, I started learning more about a game dev, how to publish stuff. I really wanted to make a side hustle for this so I can get more income. And I also published this game in mobile. I forgot about this game. I also made it with Unreal Engine. You can tell this game is also in the Google Play Store. It's the same game. The only thing that the mobile the graphics are like the lighting has like a different style and that. And here are the other boss that I made it like a seal. It was a really fun game to make. Okay, so after this game, I participated in another game jam, also in Unreal Engine. It's like a 3 hour game jam that you have to make all the game in 3 hours. So this will so you can focus on gameplay and planning and stuff. And this is the game I made. So in this game you have to cut the pigs, well the skinny pigs, the pink pigs, and with that you have to collect the bones, the tails, and the leg, and, before they can kill you. It's a really short game. After that, I really like Unreal, but I have a problem that Unreal is so heavy and the exporting, for example, exporting a game to Unreal take a lot, but a lot of time, and I really don't like that from Unreal. So I started trying Godot. So my next game, because like a lightweight is a open source game engine. So I started learning about Godot, and I made this game. It's also, I think it's also a 3 hour game jam, and it's a really simple game that you have to click, go to the right, and wait for the character to die. It has a nice sound, but okay, like that. So you move to the right, and when you arrive to the right, you die. But it's really nice. This is my first. I think this is my first game with Godot. And you get to the end and you die, and it's really simple as that. After that, let me refresh this so I can. Yeah, okay. After that, I made another game in another 3 hour game jam that is like a navigation. So it was like a dark theme or something like that. So you have to move and avoid the pillars and arrive at the other platform. It's a really interesting game. And another reason because I tried Godot is because you have to. Well, this is not moving. Wait. Well, it's not moving. So yeah, I really wanted to try Godot also because with Unreal Engine you can't publish game to web because it's too heavy, and also for game jams I think it's better to have like web games because usually people are people can play more people are going to play your game if it's in of the web or if they have to download and install it on stuff because it's like a more dangerous. So I really wanted to learn Godot because of game jams, so I can publish this. It's a this is my I think my fourth game jam. It's a really nice game. I really like the light and stuff. And after that, I was working at the same time with this project that is called Last Engine. This project is only on the Google Play Store and my itch.io page. I also made this project with Unreal Engine. It's a really nice game. Well, I wanted to make like a strategy game, but only focusing on resource collection. So you have to click these little gears and you have to feed the spider with wood because if you lost your light, you get eaten and you lost. It's a really nice game. And also with this game, I wanted to try. Well, I was doing a course about game dev, and they say that it's better to have a lot of feedback in the game development process. So I don't have like a big audience or something like that can test my game. So I paid a person on Fiverr. I don't remember the name of the person, but she tested the game and she said that it was a very confusing game because it was really hard, really dark, and it was hard to understand. So after that, I made some adjustments to the game and published to the Google Play Store. This game is free if I'm not wrong. Yeah, and also, and that's about this game. So and then I participate in another game jam. So this was a game jam about like a week long, something like that. In this game jam, I was participating in, I participated in two games. This one that you're seeing that is made only by me, And another game that I was working with like 4 or 5 people. I don't remember the name of the game. And this game is made with Godot, and the other game was made with Unreal. So I have a little problem with the other group in the game jam because well I have like my GitHub account with the Unreal Engine, so we can load branches, but we have a lot of problems, and I didn't know that Unreal work with binaries, and so if you make a change, the the progress of other people will be lost if you push to GitHub, and that problem has some trouble, and there was some trouble with the teamwork and stuff. So I decided like to leave that side, start this game. So this game was like a rush game. It's also a game made with Godot, and you have to move these birds to the platform before the time expires. So you have to fly like that. Wait. And you have to arrive this platform, and then when the time stops, the player that didn't go there dies. So it's like a old school fashion, like two-player game that you usually I don't know if you played like that, but I usually in school play with my classmates in the same PC with the same keyboard, and you have like your controls in the same keyboard. So after that, I was also working in this game. It was like also a strategy game, if you can tell. So you had to control also these characters that are the same from my game before, and you have to put your camp. So you have to build tents, you have to build food, and you have to kill the slime boss that this big rocky guy here. No, this no. Let me see if I have a picture of him. But yeah, so you have to spawn little workers that are going to kill these slimes to collect resources, and then they're going to come back to their tent, and you win when you kill the slime boss. This is also another game made with Unreal Engine. As you can tell, there's a trailer there. This is also a free game. Next, I participate in another game jam. I wanted to do a game jam in a group. I'm sorry. Yeah, I wanted to do a game jam in a group, but with Godot, because I hear that Godot is easier to work with a teammate because you can see the code, and you're not working with binaries like with Unreal. So we make this game that is like an horror game. So I made this game with 2 other people. As you can see, this is not my page because this is the guy that uploaded the game to itch.io. And it was a really fun game to make. These are like free assets, but I made the alien or something like that, and you have to go to the spaceships and solve some puzzles and stuff. Yeah, after this, I think I participated in another 3 hour game jam. It's like alchemy team, something like that game jam. So after that, I started. Sorry, after that I started uh, seeing about genres that are easier to make as a solo developer, so I don't have to make these big games by myself. So one of those genres are clickers games. So I made this a clicker game jam. So my next game, and this is my last game of 2024, was a clicker game, another game that you control this. Well, you're like a little chicken that you have to run from the hunt, and you have to avoid these fire shots from the sides, and you have to click because are going to be eaten by this guy. So let's play this. So like that. So you have to run through this only clicking, and the only mechanic in this game is clicking. If you click a lot faster, you run faster. If you click slowly, you can go slow. And this is my second game that I released on Steam. It's my first game I participate in the Steam Next Fest, and I really like it. I didn't know that you have to submit a demo for the Steam Next Fest, so in this game I learned a lot about how the Steam Next Fest works. I also have learned how to upload a demo for the game. From my commercial games, if you can tell, I didn't win any money because, mobile games, I didn't sell any copy of them. And also from my Steam games, I didn't get the payment because I didn't sell enough copies to reach the $100 mark about the Steam. That's the end of my journey until now as a game dev. Right now, I'm planning about starting a new development, but it was a really fun year. I didn't, here at the beginning of my journey, I didn't expect to be capable of publish game on Steams or participate on game jams or work with a team about games. And it's really challenging, but I really like my progress. It's not like it's the big win story that everyone wants to hear, but it's my story and I wanted to share this for this. And so thank you very much for hearing this, and I hope to see you here in the channel sometime there. Bye.